Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to make Raising Cane sauce. So if you want to make a copycat of that, you want it in your household maybe, perhaps. So here's how to make it. So you'll need mayonnaise, celery salt, it's gonna be optional. You can use normal salt, hot sauce, ketchup, some Worcestershire sauce, and coarse pepper and garlic powder. So first you will have to let them rest in a um, refrigerator in 24 hours and then let all the flavors mingle together and you will just have to use to steer this all together. That's all. It's just that simple. So the brands you'll use is Kirkland for your mayonnaise, ketchup is gonna be Heinz, and your sauce is gonna be Le Perrins, and hot sauce is Frank's and original. Peppers, any brand, just make sure it's coarse. Garlic powder, any brand would work also. Celery salt, same with that. Any brand will work. So those are the brands you would use. All you have to do is just make it together. You'll just have to just stir them all together. That's it. And refrigerate it for the best use. And that's it.